Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you, my 5th class students. Today discuss about time. From your course book, volume 2, page number 7. See here. How many minutes are there in 12 hours? See here. How many minutes are there in 12 hours? See here. Hours is converted into minutes. Means the larger unit is converted into smaller unit. Then we have to take multiply. Solution. Here 12 hours, that is equals to 12 into 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Since 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. See here. 12 0 0 12 6 are 72. 720. Now next, how many years are there in 2 centuries? How many years are there in 2 centuries? See here, solution. 1 century is equals to 100 years. 2 centuries, that is equals to 2 into 100 years. That is equals to 200 years. Write down everybody. Completed. Now next, 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Listen carefully, beta. See here. Vinod's teacher told the students that she will teach about 24-hour clock in tomorrow's class. Vinod, being an elder student, asked his mother to explain about 24-hour clock that day evening itself. See here, Vinod's mother said, all the clocks we have 12 hours only. All the clocks we use have just 12 hours only. But railway station or bus station or airports, you might have heard the announcement mentioning a number bigger than 12. See here, Vinod nodded enthusiastically. His mother continued, let us assume we were in a train station waiting for a train to arrive. An announcement was made that the train will arrive at 18 hours. Did you understand? Vinod nodded enthusiastically. His mother continued, let us assume we were in a railway station waiting for a train to arrive. Waiting for a train to arrive. An announcement was made that the train will arrive at 18 hours. Do you know what time the announcer is referring to? See here. I don't know, mother. I said slightly worried Vinod. Don't worry, my dear, darling. I will teach you. Do you remember the number line concept? Asked Vinod's mother. See here, by using number line, you can explain 24 hours. She can explain 24 hours clock. Vinod noted an affirmation. Then his mother asked him to draw a number line with the numbers from 0 to 24. Vinod drew a number line I shown below. See here, this is the number line. Now here 0. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, these are the hours. Then his mother explained about the 24-hour clock to Vinod with the help of number line. In a 24-hour clock, there are 24 hours. So I am shown on the number line. The hours after 12 noon are red eyes. After 12 noon, this is after 12 noon. After 12 noon. See here, now I am drawing one clock, listen carefully. So this is 12, this is 6, 9, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See here, midnight 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock you can use. So midnight 12 o'clock after 1 after 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So afternoon 12 o'clock, next hour means known as 13 hours. So 2 o'clock afternoon 14 hours. This is 15 hours. This is 16 hours. This is 17 hours. 18 hours, 19 hours, 20 hours, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 0, 0. Okay. See, the train arrives at 18 hours. 18 hours. So what is the time now? See, evening 6 o'clock. Now 6 o'clock PM, post meridian. See Nana, here midnight 12 o'clock to 4 noon 12 o'clock. Is called AM. Again, afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock is known as PM, post meridian. AM is nothing but midnight 12 o'clock to 4 noon 12 o'clock, means midnight to 4 noon 12 o'clock is called as AM, anti-meridian. Afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock is known as PM, post meridian. So now 24 hours clock. The train arrived at 18 hours. 18 hours means evening 6 o'clock. Then you can understand 18 hours is nothing but evening 6 o'clock. It can be written as 6 PM. 6 PM. See here, afternoon 1 o'clock is called 13 hours, 2 14 hours, 3 15 hours, 4 16 hours, 5 17 hours, 6 18 hours, 7 19 hours, 8 20 hours, 9 21 hours, 10 22 hours, 11 23 hours. So 12 24 hours. Then you can start again 0 0 hours are also called midnight. 24 hours are 0 0 hours. See here, in 24 hours we have to use 4 numbers, means 4 digits. So 18 hours, it can be written as this like only. 19 hours. So 19 hours 30 minutes. So 19:30, this like only. 19:30 hours. See here. Now here, listen carefully. The digital clock, it can shows 20 hours 30 minutes. 20 hours 30 minutes is nothing but 8:30. 8 hours 30 minutes PM. Right. Did you understand? See, 20:30. See here, this is indicates hours, this is indicates minutes. So 20 hours 30 minutes, this is 24-hour clock. Now it can be changed into 12 hours clock, means 8 hours 30 minutes PM, post meridian. So here, now listen carefully. Here 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. 12-hour clock. 24-hour clock. Say one afternoon 1 o'clock is known as 13 hours. See here. See 1 a.m. it can be written as in 24 hours clock. 1 a.m. means 0100. Next to 2 a.m. it can be written as 02. So this is hours, this is minutes. Semicolon 00. Next to 3 a.m. 03 semicolon 00. See here, this is 1 a.m. means midnight 12 o'clock after 1 a.m. is known as in 24 hours clock 01 semicolon 00. This is indicates hours and this is indicates minutes. See here, semicolon before digits known as hours and semicolon after digits indicates minutes. Represents minutes. See here, 4 a.m. So 0400. Next 5 a.m. early morning 05 semicolon 00. Next 6 a.m. 06 semicolon 00. Next 7 a.m. 0700. 8 a.m. 08 semicolon 00. Next 9 a.m. So 0900. Next listen carefully. 1 a.m. it can be written as 01 semicolon 00. 2 a.m. 3 a.m. 03 00 like that only. Now next now next 10 a.m. means you can write 10 semicolon 00. 11 a.m. So this like 11 semicolon 0. Next 12 noon. So 12 noon it can be written as 12 semicolon 00. 12 noon means afternoon 12 o'clock. Now next afternoon 12 o'clock after 1 o'clock, this is called as 1 p.m. means post meridian. It can be written as 13 hours. See here, 1 13 hours, 2 14 hours, 3 15 hours, 4 16 hours like that only. Next 2 p.m. See here, write down 13 hours. Now next this is 14 hours. Next 3 p.m. 15 hours. Next 4 p.m. 16 hours. 5 p.m. 17 hours. 6 p.m. 18 hours. See here, 12 noon it can be written as 12 hours. 1 p.m. 13 hours, 2 p.m. 14 hours, 3 p.m. 15 hours, 4 p.m. 16 hours, 5 p.m. 17 hours, 6 p.m. 18 hours. Seven p.m. 19 hours. 8 p.m. 20 hours. 9 p.m. 21 hours. 10 p.m. 22 hours. 11 p.m. 23 hours. 12 midnight. 12 midnight. 24 hours. See, in a 24-hour clock, time in hours are expressed using 4-digit numbers. In a 24-hour clock, time in hours are expressed using 4-digit numerals. 4-digit numerals. See here. Now next, 12 midnight is written as 24 hours or 00 hours later. See here, 12 midnight is written as 24 hours, means 24:00 or 00:00 hours. See here, 10:30 p.m. is written as 10 means 22 hours 30 minutes. So 22:30 hours. In 24 hours clock we can use 4-digit numbers. So number of hours. See here, what is time now? 22:30. This is called as number of hours and this is called as number of minutes. See here, number of hours 22. So number of minutes 30. So what is time now? 22 hours 30 minutes. See here, we have to take 20 to 30 hours. This is 24 hours clock. In a given time, from right to left side, first 2 digits is goes to minutes, remaining digits is goes to hours. Did you understand? Now, similarly, listen carefully. One a.m. written as 0100 hours. Next, 12 noon written as 1200, 12 hours. In 24 hours we can use 4-digit numbers. Now here 2:30 a.m. written as, so a.m. that is called 0 to 30 hours. Now 1 p.m. written as 1300 means 1300 hours. Next 2 p.m. say 1400 hours. Like that only. Now 6 p.m. 18. 12 plus 6 18 hours. So 6 p.m. is evening time, no? Now 6 is added to 12, you can get 12 by 6 18, 18 hours. This is 24 hours clock, this is 12 hours clock, like that only. Now here 8:20 p.m. it can be written as, so 28 means 20. 20 hours. So 20 hours 20 minutes. Next 11:15 p.m. So p.m. means 11 is added to 12. 23. 15 hours. The 12-hour clock runs from 1 a.m. to 12 noon. 1 a.m. to 12 noon, and then from 1 p.m. to 12 midnight. The 12-hour clock runs from 1 a.m. to 12 noon, and then from 1 p.m. afternoon p.m. to 12 midnight. The 24-hour clock uses the numbers this like only. See here 0 0 semicolon 0 0 to 23 hours 59 minutes. So midnight is known as, it can be written as midnight 12 o'clock, it can be written as 0 0 0. So this is hours, this is minutes. Okay. Today our class is completed. Thank you to all. Thank you.